How to block ads on Android. This tutorial shows you how to stop annoying ads and pop-ups on your Android device for a smoother browsing experience. First, open the Settings application on your Android device. Next, you'll be taken to the main Settings menu, where you can adjust various options. Following that, scroll down and tap on Google to access Google Settings. Now, tap on Ads to manage your advertising preferences. Moving forward, toggle on the option that says Opt out of ads personalization. Afterwards, this will limit personalized ads shown to you across apps. In addition to that, go back to the main Settings menu. Once you're back, scroll down and tap on Apps to view all installed applications. Subsequently, tap on the three dots at the top right corner to access more options. Moreover, select Special Access from the drop-down menu. Afterwards, tap on Display over other apps to manage pop-up permissions. Then, scroll through the list and find apps that show unwanted ads. Within this section, toggle off the permission for apps you don't want showing pop-ups. Alternatively, you can install a browser with built-in ad blocking from the Play Store. Once you've adjusted these settings, you'll notice significantly fewer ads on your device. Then, restart your phone to ensure all changes take effect properly. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you block ads on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.